Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday, 1st June. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of Euro USD, and as you can see, I'm in my beloved time frame, 4 hours time frame. And as we all know, there was a sharp fall on Euro USD yesterday, and just look at the big red candle. Okay, after this fall, market also recovered subsequently, but yes, there was a fall in the market, and there was a big panic also. And see, just look at the size of this candle, and just look at the size of the previous candle also. Anyways, if we just look at the overall trend of the market, then we can see that overall trend is still intact. Market is still in uptrend, and that's the good news. Okay, so wait, I would like to take you to one thing today. Okay, and the thing is currency strength meter. Probably most of you are not aware of the currency strength meter. The main reason behind not discussing about currency strength meter is that currency strength meter actually, see, it tells you the direction of the market. It does not tell you the signal, okay, whether you should buy, where you should buy, where you should sell. Okay, main people interpret it in a wrong way, and that is the reason I never discuss about currency strength meter. Because see, many people think that okay, USD is going up, so I should buy right now. That is not the thing. Okay, you should wait for a perfect opportunity. So this is the reason currency strength meter I never discussed. So we can see that USD is an uptrend, and by the end of the day, the change in percentage was 1.8. Okay, and when market made this red candle, okay, when market made this red candle, it means that USD got stronger and Euro weakened. And when the market made this red candle, I took a screenshot, and you can see that at the time of the red candle, okay, market or USD became stronger by more than 3%, and that is the reason USD was so strong yesterday. And probably you have noticed yesterday that there was a sharp momentum in all the USD currency pairs, and this was one of the reason. Okay, so remember one thing: if you want to follow currency meter, then do not follow the currency meters blindly. Okay, they just tell you the direction of the market, and this is one of the reason I always tell you that you should always stay with the trend. Okay, anyways, let's get back to the chart. Okay, so this is the chart of Euro USD again, and this trend, the trend is intact. That is the good news. Let's look at the weekly time frame once. If we look at a weekly time frame, then we can still see that market is an uptrend, but these candles are not that very strong. Okay, not that very strong, because the market is facing some price rejection from above for the last 2 weeks. And the main culprit, okay, the main culprit behind this price rejection or resistance is this candle, the candle from the 22nd Feb, or the candle from the third week of February. Okay, third week of February. This is the main devil. Okay. As a result, market is unable to cross this level. So one thing that we need to keep our eyes on is this level. Wait, let me show you today. So keep your eyes on this level. Okay, this level 1.2265. This level is or has become very crucial for the market on the weekly chart. Okay. On the other hand, we also have a small support also, because for the last 2 weeks market is going down, but still it is respecting this support level, and the level is uh, wait, this level to 1.2132. Okay, this is the level marked on the downside. So from the weekly chart, we have understood that though market is trying to go up, though overall trend of the market is towards the upside, but market has got resistance. Okay, and the resistance is 1.2265, and on the downside we have a small support at 1.2132. Now let's switch to the weekly, 4 hours time frame, and see what should be a strategy. So right now we have got two levels here. Okay, So right now we have got two levels here, and if I tell you just to look at this particular portion, okay, just look at this particular portion, forget about the overall trend of the market, just throw away everything, okay, just focus on this particular portion. What do you see? You can easily see that market is in a range right now. It's not it, market is in a range. And from the weekly chart, one thing is very clear to us, that this level 1.2265, okay, this level is kind of crucial for the market. Whenever market is touching this resistance level, market is facing heavy price rejection from above, market is struggling, and market is coming down. So first the first trading opportunity for us will be, okay, will be this level 1.2265 level. So see, overall market is an uptrend, though there is no doubt about it, okay, but still if you see that after reaching this particular resistance level 1.2265 level, if you see market is forming red candles like this, if you see heavy selling pressure, you can short the market, because the market is struggling. And by looking at the size of these candles on the weekly chart, there is a possibility that market may form a red candle, okay, there is a possibility. So if you see after reaching this particular resistance level, if you see heavy selling pressure, we may short the market. Overall market is an uptrend, no doubt about it, but if we consider this particular portion, then market is in a range right now, so we may get a good opportunity at this level 1.2265 level, okay. And on the other hand, if market comes down and hit this level 1.2116 level, okay, on the 4 hours time frame, we can see that this level has got no such importance, okay, but on the weekly chart we saw that market has formed or price has rejected from this particular level. So in fact yesterday there was also a good fall, there was a sharp fall, still market did not breach this level. So in case market comes down and hit this particular support level 1.21169 level, just observe the price, just try to understand the chart, just try to read the market psychology. If you see if you see that price is rejecting from below, okay, price is rejecting from below, market is taking support, or somehow it is trying to bounce from this level like this, you can go for a buy order. But do remember, whether you buy or sell, whether you sell here at a resistance or whether you buy here, always follow risk management properly and do not risk more than 2% of your trading capital. That is my request, okay, because see, this is market. Traders like us, we do not determine the direction of the market. The big players, the big boys, they determine the direction. So never ever risk your hard-earned money fully, okay, always risk at 2%, max to max 5% if you're very sure, not more than that, okay. So these two are the best trading opportunities for us as of now, okay. First is short the market here, and if market bounces we can buy here. And we can see that after this sharp fall also, market has come down, went up, okay, went up and recovered this price level, okay. So though market is in middle right now, okay, so there is also a possibility that market will go up from here, market will go up from here. In case market goes up, if you want to take risk, you can take risk, but your risk to reward ratio does not match. That's why I am not recommending this price level. Or in case market breaks this level, still I am not recommending, because see, your risk to reward ratio does not match. Therefore, if you are a safe trader, if you want to go for safe option, then these two are the best trading opportunities, okay. So let the market open on Monday, we will see, we will observe where the price opens, where the price goes, then only we will take the best decision. In case the market breaks this level, you can go for buy order, but that will be very very risky, because see, if you go for a buy order here, your stop loss will be around this level, your risk to reward ratio does not match, so not a good trade. Let's see how the market opens on Monday. So hopefully you have liked the video, and please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much, all the best, take care.